In this video, I will show you how you can manage your Airbnb calendar. The navigation is the same. If you want to open the dates, if you want to block some date, if you want to change the prices for different dates, or if you want to apply more advanced rules, I'm going to show you how you can do that directly from the calendar. The options and the navigation are the same whether you do it from a computer or from Airbnb phone app. All you need to do once you're logged into Airbnb is go to the calendar, and that will display the calendar for your property. Once you're in the calendar view, you can either choose one date, and on the right hand side, it will give you several options. If you want to do this change on multiple dates, you can simply drag and select all those dates which you want to edit. As you keep moving your cursor, it keeps including those dates. So you can choose the selection of the dates which you want to alter. Once you have chosen the dates, on the right hand side, you will see several options. The first one is edit. You can simply click on edit. That will bring you two options. The first one is you can set minimum nights. So for example, if you want to host at least minimum of 3 nights for these dates, you can simply type in 3 here, and that will automatically set minimum 3-night stay for the chosen dates. If you want to block these dates, you can simply block, or you can choose open and click on save. The other option on the right hand side is if you want to set your prices. So for example, if you want to change the prices to something else, you can simply type in the price and click on save. The price will be straight away updated after that. Another option Airbnb has recently added, as you type in your nightly rate, Airbnb now shows you how much your guest will eventually pay after adding Airbnb services and commissions and all those things. So it's very important you keep an eye on this figure when you're updating the price to see whether it is still manageable or reasonable for the guest to pay the final amount. The third option on this screen is you will see rule sets. This option is for advanced settings. If you want to apply some other rules to your nightly price, length of stay discount, and all those options, you can simply go into these options. Instead of setting a specific price for your listing, which we saw in the first option, you can simply say if you want to decrease your price by 10% or increase it, you can type in and choose the option. The second option is if you want to apply a length of stay discount, if you want to offer a discount, if someone wants to book it for 4 nights, you can mention that here. These rules are self-explanatory, so I won't go into each of these, but once you have chosen the settings and click on save, Airbnb will automatically apply those rules when someone chooses the dates meeting that criteria. And when you're creating these rule sets, you can give them a name. And once you have defined that rule set, you can simply go to other dates in your calendar and choose this rule set and apply it without having to redo it every single time you're choosing a different set of dates. The last option here is the private note. If you want to leave a note for yourself, you can simply type in the test for your notes, and that will apply those notes. And whenever in future you come back, you will see your note here on the calendar. These are mainly the options you have when you are on Airbnb calendar. All of these settings are also available under availability section. So you can just go to menu and listing, pricing and availability. You can start from trip length. So these are all the options: minimum stay, maximum stay, custom trip lengths. And then it goes to availability section where you can have your advanced notice, preparation time, availability window, and all these options. The settings you apply here will automatically be applied on all the dates open in your calendar. But if you want to apply some rules specific to certain dates, the first option which I showed you was to go in the calendar, choose the specific dates, and you can apply the rules as I explained earlier. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.